Yes, I know as an Amazon seller, especially if you're just starting out, it can get a little tricky and hard and frankly frustrating if you're trying to get reviews for your product, but that's exactly why I created this three-part series. And welcome to part 2 of the three-part series for getting consistent reviews for your Amazon product, as well as keeping your account safe to avoid some don'ts in terms of getting reviews. Let's go. So again, welcome to part 2 of 3 of the top do's and don'ts of getting reviews for your Amazon FBA private label business in 2020. If you guys are new to this series and new to this channel, welcome to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Andy and I've been selling on the Amazon platform for a few years now as a private label seller. If you guys are interested in anything private label or Amazon selling in general, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I release videos once a week now, but I was releasing videos twice a week. So pretty much anything you want to learn about Amazon FBA is on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like for this video if you find this content helpful. And if you've already started to enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like now. What harm does that cause? But down below you can find direct links to the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind Facebook group that is over 1,000 members now. Be sure to go check out the Instagram page down below too, because I release daily content there on Amazon FBA specific topics, as well as a bunch of discount codes such as Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Feedback Wiz, Ad Badger, a bunch of different tools to help you through your Amazon journey and save you guys some money, as well as support this channel. As always, I do have a free coaching call every single video, so if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, don't forget to stay till the end of this video where I can let you guys know how you can be entered into winning that. So like the first video, I'm going to start with the don'ts and something that you should not do to try to get reviews in 2020 for your Amazon business, and that is to not use any reviewer programs or softwares to get automated reviews. This is a red flag for Amazon, and I can almost guarantee you that your program or your business will be shut down really quickly, if not warned, and then eventually shut down if you continue the same actions. Why is this, you may ask? Well, Amazon is smart, as you guys know, and if you guys watched the first parts to the series, I mentioned that review groups were something to avoid. Now, this is very similar and a very similar concept where a lot of the reviewers in these programs and softwares are actually flagged reviewers. So if you get too many of these reviews from these flagged individuals or these flagged reviewers or buyers or sellers, it's going to reflect poorly on your account as well as your product. So if your product does not get removed for poor feedback, your actual accounts will be completely suspended, or it's rarely temporarily suspended. So if you're a repeat offender of this, it's going to look badly on your account. Now, Amazon is definitely aware of these third-party sites, so that's exactly why you want to be aware and try to avoid them. If your account does not get suspended, it is likely that the reviews that you gained, or even all the reviews that you have for your actual product, even though some of them were legit, are going to get removed. So, you know, just try not to stress yourself out. Have that in the back of your mind, and just try not to use these programs, because a lot of the times these reviews do get wiped or the account gets suspended. Okay, so now that all the bad news is out of the way, what should you guys do as the second tip to getting reviews in 2020? And this is probably one of the first things that I implemented when I was just starting out my Amazon journey, and that is automated email messaging sequences. Now, before I do continue with this, Amazon did just release an update on messages that you can send to your actual customer, and there are words to avoid and things to avoid saying, and sometimes they don't even allow certain messaging directly to customers, but at the end of this video I'm going to explain how you can completely avoid that. But basically how these email messaging sequences would work is that it would be completely automated. So whenever an order comes in, you can set up a sequence of emails. You know, it's usually between 2 to 3 messages too many of these messages are a red flag to Amazon, and you may be temporarily suspended from sending these messages. I have personally been temporarily suspended, so that's why I'm saying that. But it's about a 1-month suspension from sending any of these messages. But you can basically format it in a way to increase that customer rapport, increase that customer service and satisfaction, and just checking in with your customer and building that relationship with the customer, to not even necessarily ask for a review. But this has been proven to actually increase the review rate. So if you guys are unaware, the average review ratio or rate, and this is extremely product dependent, is about 1%. So for every for every 100 orders that you are, for every 100 units that you're selling, you may get 1 review, and that is extremely slow. This definitely increases it slightly and helps, again, build that customer relationship. So that's the primary reason why I was personally doing it, and I did see the difference. So hopefully, if you guys are interested in doing that too, it's something you can take into account. But the first email that you may send out may look like, hey, thank you for purchasing the product. It's on the way. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via the Amazon platform, and we would love to help you with the product. Or you may, send out a certain guide. I'm not sure if that's still allowed, but I was sending basically ebooks to the customers, anything to help provide more value for the actual product. Something that you may want to take into account. It's like, it takes a few minutes to set up, and it's all automated, so you can set it to, at day 2 after being delivered, I want to send a message, and then at day 10, I want to send a message too. It's not illegal to ask for a review, but if you try to ask for a positive review in a certain manner and say, if you were satisfied with this product, please leave a review, that's something you can't say, because you're basically forcing them to only leave a review if they were satisfied with it. So be aware of the guidelines and fall within the guidelines when you guys are filling out these email templates. But a great tool that I personally recommend and that I've been using a lot is Feedback Wiz, and this is how you kind of prevent all those restrictions from being broken. One, because they provide the templates with you, so they've done the research and they've done all the hard work for you in making sure that any messages that are sent out are within certain guidelines. So that's a huge thing that I've been able to utilize from Feedback Wiz, and I personally love. So if you guys are interested in a program like that, there's a discount code down below. I believe it's for 50%, so that'll save you a huge chunk of money, actually. And they did also come up with a new tool that I'm going to cover in the next series, or next part of the series. And I'm actually going to have Henson and possibly Robbie from Feedback Wiz come to talk to you guys about how the Feedback Wiz program works. So you'll get more questions answered. So if you're not subscribed yet, or have that notification bell turned on, be sure to do so and stay up to date to the videos that I release. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. As always, that is my primary goal for this channel, and just to provide value for you guys. So hopefully the content that I put out is of value to you guys. Be sure to drop a like if it did help, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date again for part 3, and as well as having some reps from Feedback Wiz come to talk to you guys and hopefully help you guys out even more. But as always, thank you guys. If you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is also like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below #PrestigeAmazonFBA. As always, I'd love to see you guys comment and ask questions. So if you guys have any questions, always feel free to drop them down below. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.